Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to cover an introduction to histology. Now, this really is just an introduction. If you want the deeper view into histology, please go to the Histology Wizard, my friend and colleague, Dr. Kathy Moore, her YouTube channel, for a much more in-depth. This is kind of think of like histology for basic tissues light. And in this, I'm going to answer the questions: what is the hierarchical organization of living matter? What are the four basic tissues in the body? And what are the descriptions and functions? Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Morton, and I'm the noted anatomist. All right, so first, what's this hierarchical organization of living matter that looks like a bunch of steps? Well, first, cells are the smallest unit of living matter, and there's about 1 trillion of them or so, give or take a few, inside the human body. Things like red blood cells, brain cells, muscle, bone cells, and so forth. Now, if you take cells and put them together, you get tissues. So the definition of a tissue: a group of common cells organized for a common purpose. And there are four basic tissues in the body: epithelium, connective, muscle, and nervous. I'm coming back to this. Now, you take the tissues and put them together, you get an organ. An organ is a group of tissues organized for a common purpose. Organs like your heart, lungs, stomach, kidneys, and so forth. And then you take organs and put them together, you get organ systems, which are a group of organs organized for a common purpose, like your cardiovascular, respiratory, nervous, endocrine systems. You put all those organ systems together, what do you get? You get an organism. You get you. Okay? So there is this hierarchical organization of living matter. Now, that is histology, the study of tissues, the study of epithelium, connective, muscle, and nervous. That's what we're going to focus on. And it's a miraculous thing, because these are the materials that everything in the body is made from, just those four tissues. Now, another way I've kind of heard histology is histology. Oh, that's looking at slides with purple dots and pink stuff, because you get a slide that looks something like this. You're like, oh, purple and pink. This is called a hematoxylin and eosin stain, in short, an H&E stain. It's the most widely used stain in histology and in pathology in medicine. Hematoxylin stains the nuclei purple because it stains nucleic acid purple, and eosin stains proteins pink. And so when you look at something like this and you zoom in, you're like, well, there's something dark purple. That's a nucleus. Here's some pink stuff, probably proteins. And we zoom on this one and go, what's this purple dot? That's a nucleus. What's this pink stuff? They're proteins. And it helps us to get an idea of the parts of a cell. And in the case we're going to talk about, the parts of tissues. So here are H&E stains, for the most part. There's a couple of differences in here, of these four basic tissues: epithelium, connective, muscle, and nervous. And